I use statistics a lot, almost every day. I do use algebra a lot, especially when you're doing measurements of biometrics or people's body shapes. When you're doing measurement, creating some sort of triangulation or setup that you need for a sensor system. So where should I put this sensor on the human body in relationship to this organ, or where should I place this sensor in the room in relationship to where my individual is going to be performing a task. So we use algebra and geometry a fair bit as well, but statistics is really the big one. So once we've collected data in a specific scenario, how do we take that data and turn it into something meaningful and evaluate it with respect to the experiment that we just ran or the interaction that we just observed. A real good way to kind of get in sampling. Maybe if you're thinking about doing a convenient sampling, you could bring in some specific household products and then just do a convenient sample in your classroom. Understand how it's convenient when you're doing product evaluation. Show one group of people this product, show one group of people this product, and then you can compare, using a basic convenience sample, the differences in the product evaluation based on who you asked questions to in each different group. That'd be fun for the kids because they get to create their own convenient samples. They would get to create their own questions about the products that they're evaluating, and then they would get to do some comparative analyses about that data that they collected. A really fun example of a statistics activity that could help get your kids really excited about statistics in the classroom is basically just doing a collection of foot length to height length, something that's easy to collect, that they can go out there, interact with all the other kids in the class, and then just do a basic correlation of how those things are related. So as you're analyzing that data, you might find that there's a relationship between foot to height. You might, if you do waist to arm, you might find no relationship. So it's kind of cool to do measurements on each other, measurements on maybe things in the room to see how width and height is related. You might find a relationship on, between things like foot to height, might not find a relationship on things like, thigh to arm length. But it's kind of cool to see how those different things are related or not related, and then you're using statistics in a real-world scenario to kind of uncover those problems. So it could help get kids excited about that.